have my March favorites and fails for you guys. And first thing that I'm gonna show you guys is on my nails. These have been a little bit over 2 weeks, so you do have some cuticle and some growth in some of them. But they are so cute. I absolutely love them. I'm always doing different things to my nails, so I go through like phases where I'm like, do like gloss on my nail, I do the glaze, which is what I have on, I do like my own gel nails, I'll do like press-ons. So before my vacation, a few days before, I did these, and these are the Dashing Diva glaze. These are semi-cured, so you have to go in and like put them under a lamp and cure them, but I absolutely love these. They make your nails super strong. They have all kinds of different designs. I bought this probably like more than a year or so ago when these were on sale. This is actually from the movie Turning Red. This one is not available because sadly it was like a limited edition. But I do highly recommend Dashing Divas. Their glosses and their glaze polishes are absolutely like amazing. I love the durability on your nails. I love the cute designs. I just buy them like in bulk sometimes when they do sales. Sometimes they will bring them down to like $5 to $8, and I will stock up on them to always have something in my nail collection. So I always have something on par, whether it be like press-ons, stuff like that. I buy like the Kiss press-ons, and when they have sales on different ones, I will buy quite a few and then just have it in my nail cart storage. And then whenever I'm doing my nails, like if I'm feeling that I don't want to do gel nails, like I'll do something a little bit that's easier, like press-ons or the glaze or the gloss. And these are so cute. I love this design. A lot of times this is enough for me to do my own nails and my mom's nails. Sometimes I will do my nails again, but they don't fit as good as like the first time, so I will have to cut some of them a little bit around the edges to make them fit, but I can get at least 2 uses from one of these boxes. Next thing for favorites is what's on my eyes. These are eyelashes. I want to say I got these from Shein, but you can get these from like Amazon. All kinds of different retailers make these like DIY clusters. You see them a lot on like TikTok Shop. I wouldn't pay like a lot of money for these because you can find them super cheap, like $2 to $3, or you know, like anything less than $10 for one of these is really good. But I think I got this on Shein, very affordable. I do use like 14mm and down just because I do have a small eye. So these here on the outer edge are 14mm. So that's going to depend on your eye size, what sizes you're okay with using. But to me, I always want to get like 14mm or down. These down here are 16 and I don't really use them. And I do pair them with like either the false mascara or the ones that they sell on Shein or Temu, which are this kind of glue. So you have the bond on one side, and you can either get it in clear like this or black. And I do have both in my collection. But what I really like, and I wish that false mascara like Kiss would get on this, is their sealant. So their sealant looks like this, and I do prefer this because it's easier to go in there and take off the tackiness and seal it with this than the like a little wand. So I do really like this like applicator, and I really enjoy it. Another thing that I like to do is like I take the sealant and rub it on the tweezers to kind of take away the tackiness from the glue, and then I'm able to pinch down the lashes with my own lashes, and they come out perfection. So love these. I haven't worn lashes like this to work yet. I'm kind of like, I don't know, because I feel like, you know, some people are just so judgy, so I don't know. I haven't done these at work, but I absolutely love these because they look like lash extensions without having to go through the hassle of lash extensions. I'm just like boop, just pop them on. Okay, next thing that is one of my favorites this month is scentbird. So I have them in this little I don't know, this little cup, but this is what it looks like. This is a subscription service for perfume. I do pay for this myself. I was in the past sent PR from them and also other brands and such, but I decided to subscribe again to Scentbird. I was subscribed back in the past for like a few months, and then I unsubscribed because I just had way too many perfumes that I wanted to get through. And now I've really brought down my perfume collection. I don't have as many as I used to, and I really prefer travel size perfume, like 8 to 10 milliliters, just because like I don't feel like I go through a full bottle of like every single perfume. A lot of times I feel like I like a scent for a little bit and then I want another scent. So I feel like Scentbird just really made sense for me. I like that you can like, it has like this magnetic little case. I actually got 2 cases sent to me by them when I did my orders, so that was nice. But you have like the name of the perfume here on the side, and this is really just nice because you can just like pop them into one of these and change them out. So I've really been into it. I know that it's just gonna depend on what your preference is, but I feel like I change perfumes a lot, and I don't like using like a full-size bottle unless it's a perfume that I absolutely know that I love for life, you know, like I feel like the Prada Candy, the Britney Spears Fantasy, those are perfumes that I bought over and over again that I know that I will use up the full bottle. But there was a time period where I used to have like 40 perfumes, and they would, I don't know, I feel like some of them kind of like changed their scents because I didn't use them up enough. So I feel like this is a good way for me to use, like, get high-end perfumes, use them up, and like not pay as much for them, because now perfumes are like running up to like $100 to $500 depending on the brand. So it's a little pricey. So I do prefer little travel size perfumes and like smaller perfumes just in general. So Scentbird just really works for me. Next we have the Huda Beauty Faux Filler. This is in the shade Foxy. I think that this is my favorite shade. If you guys didn't see, I did a review on these. These are just absolutely beautiful on the lips. I've really been into more glossy lips and just like more comfortable lips, whether it be mousse, gloss, you know, just something lip balm. I don't really go for matte lips anymore, and these are just absolutely beautiful. They just kind of like really fill in the lips without being goopy. You don't want to apply too much of this. If you apply too much, it can get goopy, so just put one layer and it just looks very beautiful on the lips. So highly recommend, really enjoy that one. Another one from Huda Beauty, and that was sent for a review purpose, and so is this. This is the Cherry Blossom Corrector. This has been such a game changer for my under eyes. I can't even tell you guys. I've always used peach correctors, right? And had never thought of like a pink one. I was like, I don't know. But lately, I have noticed that the pink really helps with the brown, like darkness underneath my eyes. And I incorporate this with all my peach ones. So I'll put a little bit, either I use it by itself or like I'll put a little bit of this on a, what's this called? Like a little plate, and then mix it with the peach. And I just feel like the pink really helps neutralize the brown underneath my eyes and like the darkness that I have there. I don't know if I'm crazy, but I just feel like it really, really helps neutralizes the brown. It's probably like color theory, but I think like peach helps a lot more if you have like more purple underneath the eyes. And I don't have as much purple. I have more like darkness, like brownness underneath my dark circles. So I feel like the pink really helps a ton. Next product that I absolutely loved is by Merit. I've been using this a lot. This is their Bronze Balm, and it is a cream contour stick. The shade is absolutely just perfect for my shade. It's kind of like that, it's kind of like a bronze color, but it also gives like a shade to my face, so it's really good for contouring at the same time. I love the way this blends in. It just blends in seamlessly to the skin. It's just very, very beautiful on the skin. Also, the Benefit Flora tint, or all their tints, I've just really been into using like cream products underneath and then applying like a powdered product on top. Like today I have the Flora tint underneath here, and then I use a powdered blush on top. I just really feel like it gives more of a like vavoom to the looks. I've just really been loving cream and liquid products a lot more, and as you age, I feel like they look a lot better on the skin before setting them with powder. It just Then we have the Smashbox photo finish. They sent me this in PR, and I have to say I hadn't haven't really like gravitated to this in forever. And then once I started like playing around with it this month, I was like, damn, I remember why I love this so much. It's just like a clear silicone kind of primer, but this just smooths out your skin and like blurs it. It's just, sometimes it's like crazy how something will be like an OG holy grail product for like forever, and everybody talks about it and everybody looks for dupes for it. I remember people looking for like dupes for this, and then people just stopped using it, stopped talking about it, because so many freaking products keep coming out every day, right? And I hadn't used it in forever, and then when they sent it to me, I was like, let me go ahead and give this a shot again. Why was it that this was like the original? Why, you know, Smashbox has so many good complexion products, I can't even tell you. Like, they're good for like primers, foundation, their concealer, like anything to do with like the complexion, like bronzers, blushes. They're so good at it. And damn, I now remember why this was so good. Like, it just kind of gives you just like the smoothest, most babyish canvas to your face. I especially love this like in my nose and like around my nose area, like where I have like larger pores. But this is just so good. And I think they have a travel size version of this now, so if you guys want to try it out, you can definitely try it out that way. But another product that I absolutely loved this month is this baby right here. This was sent in PR by Pixi. This is called their H2O Skin Veil Powder. And this is just like so finely milled and just, I don't know what it is. It's like voodoo magic. It's very softening. It just kind of like softens underneath the eye. That's what I've mainly been using for, is like setting underneath the eye. It's just absolutely, I don't know what's in here, but I'll try to check and see. But it seems to me like it has like dimethicone or something soft. Okay, so it has cornstarch. It does have dimethicone. It has like the same kind of properties as the Smashbox, which is like that softness to it. And this just works really beautifully underneath the eyes, but also like if you want to just look a little bit blurred in different areas, this powder is just absolutely amazing. It did say that it gave a cooling effect. I do not feel a cooling effect whatsoever, but I do feel like it's very beautiful as like a veil, like a beautiful veil to the skin. It's really, really good. And then the last product is going to be my fail for the month, and this is from Smashbox. I got this in PR, and I was like, oh, what is this? This is the Always On Liquid Lipstick in Misconduct. It's actually what I have on my lips. It's not like a total fail, but I wouldn't use this alone. Like, this is on my lips, but with lip gloss on top. But on its own, it's like so drying. I don't really care for matte liquid lipsticks anymore. I just feel like a lot of them are so drying, and they just kind of really accentuate every texture on the lip. And so this by itself I didn't really care for, but I did use it today with a lip gloss, and with a lip gloss I'm okay with it, but I wouldn't like purchase these on my own, just because I feel like as I get older, I just want my lips to look nice and like filled and like filler. Without having filler, obviously. So that's one of the reasons that I really loved the Huda Beauty. And sadly, I just can't jam with a lot of matte products anymore, and that's just a personal preference. Let me know what you guys have been loving this month. I'd love to hear from you down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. And if you're not subscribed, you can hit that little red button. I have social media down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.